How you doing, guys? Okay, welcome to the first edition of Tim's Shelf, and I'm gonna dive into the review the first thing I'm going to review is the recent limited edition by Arrow Video of Dario Argento's The Bird with the Crystal Plumage. Okay, if you're an Argento fan, I'm sure you know the story by now, but I'll delve into it anyway. Right, so the story tells this American novelist on his way home after promoting his recent novel. He witnesses a brutal assault on a woman in an art gallery. He is powerless to help her due to the fact that he becomes trapped in between two glass doors. He then therefore shouts at a passerby to go and call the police, and as a result her life is saved. He tells the police he saw something, but he can't remember what it was he saw. As a result, the police confiscate his passport, and that stops him from leaving the country. From then on, a series of brutal killings on young women take place, and the killer starts taunting, threatening and terrorizing him and his girlfriend, and through an attempt on and also makes multiple attempts on their lives, and also makes menacing phone calls up until the creepy and shocking twist, which I'm not going to give away. So you have to watch the Blu-ray if you've not seen it before. Okay, although it is made in 1969, time has been kind to it, to this first ever film by Dario Argento. The best way to view this is in its original Italian language. The score by Ennio Morricone is extremely creepy. The film in places is creepy, intense and unnerving. The villain in this film is portrayed as cold-blooded, sadistic, and is a sociopath who takes pleasure in the suffering and the misery of his or her targets. Now the Blu-ray is presented here with a lovely 4K pristine print of the film, and the edition also comes with a standard definition DVD of the presentation. It is loaded with special features, and also there is a really lovely fold out poster. It's a double-sided. I'll show you that. There's the Arrow Video illustration, and also there's the original international illustration of the film. And also it comes with a really nice booklet. Okay, our video I've sold out of these of this edition of the film. So it is it is selling fast on Amazon. So if you need a copy, if you want a copy of this, I suggest you act very quickly, because these editions, when they go out of print on the Amazon marketplace, they do tend to go up in price, and also these editions of our video Dario Argento films, when limited editions, they do tend to go out of print very fast. So that's it. Thank you very much for watching this. Okay, don't forget to check out my weekly vlog that comes out round about every Saturday. Okay, and I'll see you soon in another video.